Alright, we have a 2006 Jeep Liberty. I am at Friendship Ford in Bristol, Tennessee. Gonna give a tour, start it up, show the engine, and features. Glove compartment. Alright. Let's start it up. Shut that up for a little. It's got 56,216 miles on it.
That's the only. It was good though. So this hurt you guys this year. We haven't had any kind of problem there.
AC's on. I apologize for some wind interference.
That's not burning the gas today. Oh yeah?
Alright. Where's the headlights?
I've got one of my, I'll teach you.
Well, let's cut on the hazards.
Yes. Look around it, let's go.
Hop the hood.
Grab the camera.
3.7 liter 6-cylinder engine. This automatically comes up when I open this. Not bad, a cargo room. There we go. Alright, let's shut it off. Alright. There you go, and thank you for watching this video.